Hello everybody. Today's tutorial is how to begin an Excel spreadsheet. Just a simple, basic spreadsheet. These are the beginning stages. First thing you want to do is put your title. We can put it in cell A1, which is right here. So the title of this is going to be Volunteer Contact Database. Okay, so you just type it there and then hit enter. So normally I'll come down a few rows and we'll begin our column headers. So first we can start with, let's come over one to B4 and we'll start with the last name. Then you can hit tab. That takes you right on over to the next column, which is C4. And then from here we want first name, then email address, phone number. And don't worry about the overlapping. We'll go back and fix that. And then for this particular spreadsheet, we want a column to determine if they are new or returning. And a last column for notes. Then you hit enter. So now, first thing we can do is go back here to our title, and we're going to merge this across all of these columns. So you just stretch it across, then come up here to merge and center. Click that, and boom, it automatically merges these rows and these columns and centers it across. So let's make this bold and take it up to about 26, whatever your fancy is. And in this column A, what we're going to do is we're going to number our rows, right? So let's go down to maybe 5. Then we can highlight all of them. Come right over here to the corner, and you can see how the mouse changes to the little cross. Take that and drag it down. And you see how it continues your pattern, so it continues to count. So we'll go down to 25. Okay, so now let's fix these up here real quick. Well, first let's come across. We want to bold these because these are headers, so we want these to stand out. So now what we will do to automatically adjust the size of each column, we will come right here, like in between A and B. See how how it changes. Double click, and it automatically will adjust. All right. So some of these are not big enough, so we can go in and automatically pull them out. And then as you type in your information, you can go back and adjust later. So, and actually for new and returning, I wanna make this 2 instead of just 1, because that's taking up too much space for just a simple X. Okay. So then now let's select column row 3 and 4, and we just want to center those. And let's bold that there. So then now everything looks nice. So next step is to put our borders. So generally the way I like to do it is first let's go to our numbers. We come here and right click and go to format cells. Then come over to border. So what I want is on the inside, I want thin lines, and then around the outside, the outline, I want it to be thick. So that's how we do that. Then we will come here and do the same thing. So let's go let's start here. Start here, and then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, all the way over to notes, and all the way down. So we can right click, go back to format cells, and we have the thin line selected, so we can do a shortcut. We can hit inside, and it'll do the inside. Now we have the outline here. We take the thick border and just hit outline, or we can go across. We can go across and do each one. Okay, so now you see we have this nice thing here. So one more thing, let's go through, and we want to make this border nice and thick across the bottom. And let's fix this up here. So go back to format, and we want to take out the middle and put your borders around it. There we go. So now that becomes looking like one cell. So that's it. Real simple. And then from here, you can begin to type in your information, and you will make your adjustments as you need them. Very, very simple. I hope this helps.